Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics so we don't waste time. Update your GPU driver and DirectX because crashes often come from outdated runtimes. Once done, run the game as administrator to remove permission blocks. Make sure antivirus isn't quarantining game files and try Windows compatibility mode if the title is older. These quick actions resolve many startup failures. They change how the OS hands resources to the game, which is why you see stability improvements fast. Once those first steps are complete, move into detailed troubleshooting. Verify the game files through Steam or your client because corrupted assets cause mid-game crashes. If that fails, reinstall cleanly. Disable all mods and overlays, those inject code and often conflict. Then lower graphics settings and switch to windowed mode to reduce driver strain. Finally, install any official or community patches. They fix engine bugs and mismatched resolutions, which commonly trigger instability. You wrap up by eliminating system-level conflicts. Perform a clean boot to remove background interference, and if a recent driver caused regressions, roll it back because that often restores stability. If disk errors persist, reinstall the game to another drive to rule out file system corruption. Once everything is done, capture the crash error or dump. If it still fails, check Event Viewer for module names. This single troubleshooting tip points you to the exact failing component and guides the next target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.